Where is HackerRank? Let me take a screenshot. So, hi guys, how are you? How is everyone? I need to save this for my thumbnail. Thumbnail. So it's 12 to 29 a.m. right now, and let me change the save. Let's go. Okay. Let's get started. In this chat. Okay, so today we're gonna solve which question? Yes. Let's just choose this one. Let me refresh it and continue. No. We were doing this one in the last video, right? Okay, text trap. Let's just go through it, what it is, and you're given a string s and width w. Your task is to wrap the string into a paragraph of width w. Complete the wrap function. The iterable below wrap is the following. The parameter is a strong string, max width, the width wrapped. Okay, so just suppose it's this one. Okay, so we have to split the parts. Okay, so the first, we have two parameters. The first one will be the string and the second one will be the length of each segment of that list, right? So what we're gonna do is, let's just max width, length of that string divided by max width. Let me open up Sublime so we can test our code, because I don't want to mess up. Let me zoom in. Where is our HackerRank? HackerRank over here. Copy the function. Did they just show us a function of text wrap? Okay, let's go to Sublime. Max width. For I in max width, for I in max width, right? We have to set a counter. It's going to be 0. Actually, it's going to be 1, right? And then we have to create a list. Okay. Seg list means segmented list. Okay, and within that thing, we have to create a regular string. It's going to be this thing, right? Nope, I would like to let me go back to our function. A B C D F G, we have to just split the string into that 4 segment each, right? So we can just say 0 to 4. 0 to 4 is going to be 0, 1 to 3, then 4 to 9, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 to 8, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 to 8. Okay. So what we need to do is we have to just have a string that will have a counter while counter is less than max width. While counter is less than max width, then we have to nope, iterate over it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the 4 digits, right? So we're gonna stop doing it. We're gonna give 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 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 Right? So what we can do is iterate over to this list, right? And then add it to a string. Once the string length hit 4, we're gonna keep doing it. No, but I don't feel like this is gonna work. Okay, let's just start doing this thing. First, create a variable with value 0, right? Once it hits 4, we will add the string to a list, right? And we have to reset the counter to 4, right? Okay, there we go. Counter is going to be 0, right? And the string is going to be okay for I in string. For I in string, we just have to no. We can just simply divide it by 4, right? Okay, for any string, the string's gonna go, okay. Okay, let's just start writing some code so we can figure out what we want to do. Okay, so main string for any string, main string that's equals to I, right? If length not equal to 4, if length of main string is not equal to 4, right? So we're gonna add that to the main string. If length of main string is equal to 4, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do list dot append main string, right? And then what we're gonna do is set the main string equal to this thing. And then at the end we have to change the list, right? Okay, wrap, and within that we have the string. We have to copy it from here. Okay, this thing goes here, and we have to put the 4 here, right? Oh my god, we're calling another function over here. Okay, if length of main string, okay, I got the error. If length of main string not equal to 4, right? Okay, that is so. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got the ABCD, which is the EFGHI. 0, 1, 0. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. And where did the okay, we can. So what I'm thinking right here is that this thing, if length of main string is less than 4, as long as it is less than 4, we're gonna add that to our main string, right? And once it hits 4, we have to append it to the. Now we got it. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Where is the peak? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Do we really have the PQ? No, we don't have PQRST in there. We don't have P in there, right? We don't have P in there. Length of the string modulus max width, right? This will give us a remainder so we can cover the last, like the remaining letters, because if we don't cover it, it will not be added to the list. Okay, so we are doing it with this method. Length of the string modulus max width, that will give us an remaining Let me print the remaining. It should be 2. It should give us 2. Okay, so we have to, right? That means 2 of them are remaining. So what we can do is we can create our own remaining string. Remaining string that will be the last 2, right? From the last 2 digits, 2 strings. Okay, -1, -2. This is going to be from -2 till the end. That will give us the -1, -2, right? -1, -2. So it's going to be -2. Okay, we got the YAC. Okay, negative RAM. Okay, we got the YAC. So we have to comment this thing is less than max width. Okay, then we have to check for the max width again. Okay, before we print the string, we have to do at the end of this thing ls.append remaining string. Once we add that thing, we have to loop over it for I in plus print I. Let's just change the I to X because since we already used it up there, so we're just gonna use the X for that thing. Okay, and this will give us the thing. Let's try it with 5. Okay, and as you can see, we just did it by itself. So let's try 2, and we don't have to use it. Very good, pretty good. We did a good job. So print. Why we have 2 print statements? Where is the second print statement? Not here, not here. Okay, wrap print x. Okay. Heck. Okay, remaining is equal to 0. Okay, we have to cover one thing over here. Is that if that remaining is if remaining string if length of remaining string is greater than the max width. Okay, we are almost done with this thing. I hope it's gonna work. Let's try it. Okay, we have the universal function that will give us a true result for every input. Sorry, I go back over here. Okay, okay, are you guys ready? Ready? What was that? Oh, sheesh, we have to return it. Return a single string with new line character where the breaks should be. Okay, I got it. That was okay. So this thing was okay. Okay. Submit 1, 2, 3. Let's go. No. Let's go. We got it. Okay. Oh, it worked. Very good. So I just don't like it when they hide the test cases. Even if we solve it, they still hide the test case. I don't know what's wrong with them, and you have to pay 5 hackers to unlock it. So pathetic. Well, just next challenge. Oops. Oops. What is that? Pretty well. I hope it's not a dumb problem to solve. Okay, let's take a break. Oh my god. Oh, sheesh. Yes, you guys should be able to hear me. Why my Spotify is not working? Okay, so for this problem, Mr. Mason works in a door manufacturing company. One day he's deciding, what kind of problem? Mat size must be n multiplied by n is an odd natural number, and with 3 times n, the design should have welcome written in the center, right? So we can only use these characters, right? Should have a welcome printed in the middle. Okay, so let me just get the whole thing of this thing. So it's 1 3 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 3 5 3 7 and 9, right? So 9 till 27 and then 6 on this side, right? Okay, how come we can come up with this number, right? That so it's 30. No, we cannot check it, right? So 7 3 is at 21. That means we have to print 21 of these, right? 21 of these, and in the middle one, that is going to be 7 lines. So if it's going to be a 7, the middle one is going to be 4, right? So 3 on the bottom, 3 on the top. So welcome is going to be 3 and 4 7. 3 on this side, 7 on this side, 7 on this side, right? So how come we can come up with this thing? So only 21 is going to give us this thing. So 1 3 7 1 3 5. Okay, 1 3 5 3 3. Okay, so there is a connection between this thing and this thing. So it's 5 15, and then we are going left with 16. So sample design pattern is like this, right? So just suppose if let's write a function over here. Seven, right? 7. Let's name it n and n just for the sake of simplicity. 7 3s are 21. Okay. For I in range 21. Okay, we got this thing. Now if we just suppose for I in range 7, okay, this is what we are ending up with. So since it is 7, right? Okay, so it's going to be 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Okay, here is a pattern. So let's just copy paste this whole thing right over here. We have it like this. So the total thing is 21. So this thing, let's just suppose this thing is a whole pattern. Okay, we can just keep repeating it full time. So it's going to be the cat one. It's going to be this, this, and this. Okay. So 17 to 21. So we can just place it in the middle, right? Okay. But this thing keeps repeating itself like 1, 3, and 5. And this is 3. Okay, if you print this in the middle, right? For I in range 21, right? 10, 6, 3. No, it's going to be 18, 6, and 3. With that means 7, 3 is 21. Let me just get some pattern. It's going to be 3, 3, 6, and 9. 9, 6, and 3. Okay, so that thing keeps dividing it by 3. 9, 6, 3. Then we again came up with 3, 7, 7. Okay. Okay, we can just do it like this. Okay, if for I in range n, we have to for x in range m, if I is equal to divided by 2, that's going to give us 3. We're going to do it like this. 3, right? Okay, sum over 3. we have to print okay, here we go. So 3 on top. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So we are getting an extra thing over here, right? For in range 7. So it's going to be 7. So since we are doing that as well, right? So we have to do it over here. If I equal to okay. Print a is equal to end, but there is something wrong with this thing print. Okay, we are good now. This thing should be over here. We got the welcome thing right. So now we have to print 3, 1, 3, 5, up to 7. Okay, so we have to create a list. X for X in range 7 if X percentage 2 and equal to 0. Okay, we got the right list. Or we can just add 21. -3 is going to be 18, right? So this is okay, but over here we have to add everything, right? So print this thing, that is going to be okay. We have to print this thing times, we have to bring the pattern times counter plus we have to send times. So that is going to be the m -1, right? So is going to be the counter of that thing, right? So that is going to be ls count. Okay, actually we can do something like this. Have our list the same thing, but main, we can actually reverse the list and combine it together, so we don't have to reverse the counter. Yeah. So it's going to be main dot update with the main oh my god, I almost lost all my code. Has no oh we is its function is extend, not update. Okay, so we have to print ls main dot extend. No, we can't do it. So it's going to be another list. Okay, we got it, 531. Now this is the main list that we should focus on, right? Okay, so what we have to do is list is multiplied by m is going to be 21 at that point, right? 21 negative the ls count, which is gonna give us 1, right? It's gonna give us 1. We're gonna multiply it by 3 because the length of our pattern is 3, right? So 1 will be 3, so 21 minus 3 gonna give us 18, and 18 divided by 2 gonna give us 9, right? And that will counter is not defined, right? So we can just say counter is equal to 0, and once we are doing this thing, and say counter is equals to 1, string and integer, right? Okay, we are this close to achieving it. That means we did a good job. Wow, list index out of range. List index out of range just because we missed the counter, right? So counter is going to be 1 in the first range, 2, 3. Here we go. We just have to take care of that loop, and then the counter is going to be if counter is equal to the length of that thing, right? I completely understand what is going on over here. We got almost 3. Okay, just because okay, here we go. So just we are getting the problem of list index out of range, right? Otherwise we are good to go. Pretty good. Okay, so list index out of range just because Since this welcome thing is okay, we can just add the counter here as well. Now, but the counter is getting out of range. 7, right? So in the first string, it's gonna be 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, right? Oh my god, really? Okay, how come this thing is 3 and 5? Oh my god. That just because when we are printing the welcome thing, right? Over here we are also adding the counter. Let's just guess it by. Oh really? Oh really? Hmm, that thing should work. I hope this can work. So let's just give them a random number like 9. List index out of freaking range. Okay. X for X in range 7. No, it's going to be N. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's just recheck if welcome is going to be 7, 3, 3, 9. Okay, welcome. Okay, let's try running this program over there. Oh my god. Let's go back over here. Okay, N and M. That is completely the same thing. Your output. Oh my god, really? Really? That is exactly the same thing. Okay, we are doing something wrong over here because we are doing this thing 2 times. No way, really? Oh my god. You better pass the test. Okay, there is something that we are not, n multiplied by 3, that is n, 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 and m. Okay, but why it is not, okay, I just know that there is something wrong with the counter. Okay, and that the counter is messing up just because it gets out of his, uh, let's just do nothing with that. Okay, and then submit it with the test case 0 gonna pass for I in range n, print e multiplied by n plus welcome plus, let's just take the discussions as there are a couple of things to note. The first thing is that each line has a set number of repetitions, which is 100, and bro, these guys are like, why are they always doing this? Uh, let's just run this thing and write 1, 3, 5, and 7, 3, 6, 9, 3. It's going to be 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, right? 27, that makes sense, complete sense. 3, 3, 9, and welcome. Let me check over here if they have 33, right? So it's going to be 3. Oh, wow. Wow, it's going to be 3, 3, well, 6, 9, and 4, 14. 14 and 14 is gonna give us 28. No, I think so. It's going to be. Let me just print the length of this thing. What the heck? $33, right? So that means this is going to be 726. So we have to worry about this thing, right? We cannot multiply it by this thing. welcome is going to be 7, right? Which is always going to be 7. So whatever the length of m is, we have to -7 length of we have to -7, which is gonna give us 26, right? And 26 we have to divide it by 2 because 13 on this side, 13 on this side. Okay, so we have to divide by 2. That will give us 2 over here like this. Perhaps you forget a comma, really. Where is that? Oh yeah, it's not a comma, man. At least you can do a better job with giving me errors. Okay, here we go. Now it does really make sense. Ajao na to sahi. Where is my error? Here we go. Print. Print. Let's run the code. Okay. We. Let's go. Yes. We got it. I wasn't expecting to solve this one, but it did it. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. That was pretty weird, actually. Where is my profile leaderboard? Let's go. Not bad, not bad. Going up, going up. So, guys, we did it.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip, my wrist is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Had it, light it, forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box.
Guys, I need to fix this microphone. I guess there is something wrong with my mic. I don't have to.
I guess there is something wrong with my mic. I don't have. I guess there is something wrong with my
Bro. Was it so loud? Okay. Now it's way better. I don't know what was wrong with this. Okay. But yeah. Now it's way better. I don't know what was wrong with this. Let's go. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. Bro, what the heck is this? I don't like this noise. Okay. Bro, I have to test this thing. It's making a lot of noise. Okay, that's pretty easy. So that give us with 0, 0 this thing. We have to convert it into oct of number out of this number, right? Yeah, bro, number over here. Convert it into a string. Convert it into a string. Once we have that string, we have to start it from 0, 1, and 2 till the end. Okay, then we have to convert it into hex of that number, right? Okay, there is something wrong with the space thing. Each value should be space padded to match the width of the binary value of number, and the values should be separated by a single space. Okay, just a single space. We don't want to add anything else. Okay, hex number, then we have the hex bin of that number, right? Okay, that will give us the hex of that digit. Is going to be 0x17, right? Have to remove the first thing. That's the same thing that we have to. Binary, and then just your output is going to be like this. Okay, for I it's going to be 111, right? So a hex of number 1 is going to be this thing, right? Okay, that is going to be I. It's all I. There is no number because number itself is just one input. Okay, your output for I in range is fine. Suppose they give us the input of 17, right? Use 2, right? For in range plus 1. How dumb can you be? Oh my god, how we can do the single space thing? Let's just add one more space over here with this thing. Oh, wow, that is too much space. Bruh. Space multiplied by 2, but your output is going to be bro. What is wrong with this thing? What's that? Okay, the binary should be that one should have that much spaces, which is the 4 values must be printed on a single line in an order specified above. For each I from 1 to number, each value should be space padded to match the width of the value number of that. Should be space padded to match the width. Should be binary value of that number, right? Okay, just suppose if that is so dumb. I knew it's not gonna work. I knew it's not gonna work. Let's just try. We got the right answers, but how we can, what's wrong with this thing? That space, I just didn't get it. Run the code again. Okay. this thing should be spaced as this much, 1, okay, 2, 2, but just 1. Okay, width of the binary value of a number. Well, let's check what is the width of a binary value. I get it. I kind of get it. So all of these spaces are just 2 should be separated by a single space. Okay, so instead of doing this thing, the width of a value number means that the total length of that binary value. So just suppose if it is 10, that means the total length will be 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 0 will make it 2. Okay, so just one single space, you don't have to do anything. Length of that binary. Okay, unmatched, sheesh. Binary, string of this thing. Expected output is used to be like this, right? So it's 2, right? So that means we're gonna just bro, this was so simple, but they just make it complex with the length thing. Or what should I do now? Okay, no response on the standard output, right? So length of binary -1 should do this thing with this thing as well. Jeez, bro, can you just add, because that thing matches with it, 2, 2, 2, right? So from me, that thing is bro, can we just not, can we not do this thing?
you're still okay. Let's do it the brute force way. Okay. Okay, invalid syntax, and that should be a comma right over here. Run the code, run the code, run the code, please, for God's sake. Can you just okay, okay, go over here. Okay, 1 is in line, but 10 is just out of line. Your output is this thing, and your output is this thing. La 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 la. Okay. Bro, that is exactly the same thing, but what is wrong with how come it's the wrong number? Okay, 17. 5, right? Okay, I got it. Kind of. Not actually. So, how much pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 5, and 5. And like the width of the binary value, that is 5, right? And over here it should be 2. Okay, we're gonna solve it tomorrow, not right now. To go to sleep. It's almost 1:59, I guess. Yeah. Time. It's 1:59 a.m. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, we did this from this problem today. That was pretty hard, and we were able to solve this one. Okay, after this we'll be solving the medium questions. Okay, where is our last one? String text alignment. Let's go to the string. string validators. No, not that one. Text alignment, text wrap. Yes, sir. Oh no, this one we already done it. Design a doormat. Yeah, this one was a really good question. Where is the star? Okay. Okay, that's all for now. I'll be stopping my stream now.